What is going on, guys? Thank you for coming back to the channel. As you can tell, we are in a different spot today. We are actually at my dad's house. He does have some different tools. We are helping out my buddy Joe with his car today. He got in an accident not too long ago, and we need to replace the radiator shaft. So we got to do that. We need some welding to be done to it, so my dad's gonna help us do that when we get the chance. Sadly, he's not here, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on it and then finish it throughout the week, but figured we'd go ahead and get started and start taking stuff off now. That way, you know, the process is a lot easier when my dad's here. That way we can just get it done and, you know, finished over with. So we'll go ahead and jump into it and start taking all this stuff off and, you know, walk you guys through what we're doing. Alright guys, so let me just walk you through really quickly what we're doing. So we are going to be replacing this whole piece here. So we are taking everything off that is going to be connected. He does have a brand new one that we are going to be replacing this with, and it does need some welds in this area over here and then maybe in some other spots, but you know, once we get this taken off, we'll be able to see exactly where we need to put everything, and everything needs to be welded and stuff. So this is what we're doing right now. I'm going to keep at this. Joe's currently taking that fender off, and then, you know, we'll just keep working on getting all this stuff off so we can start putting it back together at some point. Alrighty guys, so we are at a stopping point for today. We did manage to get quite a bit off. There are some parts, we still need to get the bottom part of it taken off, but we don't have my low profile jack here, so we do need that to go ahead and be able to lift it up and get things properly taken off. So I'm not exactly sure what needs to be taken off on the bottom, and we don't want to be messing with too much stuff. We already snapped a couple bolts and almost stripped a couple others. They were just rusty. It happens sometimes, but we did manage to get the top part taken off, the side pieces, and both fenders. Here's a little pile of things that we got taken off and all of our little bolts. So I mean, we did get a pretty good amount done so far. My dad will be coming back into town, and he'll be able to help us out with the rest. There are some welds that we need to get broken, and then we do need to weld those back on with the new struts that new radiator support that he does have here. So, you know, we'll go ahead and get to that. I'm not sure if this is going to be a one-part or a two-part video, and this will be the end of the first one and then continue on the second one. Not too sure yet, so still kind of up in the air, but we'll figure it out. Either way, now me and Joe got a pretty good amount done, but I will see you guys as soon as we pick this up, you know, hopefully here in a minute. It is day 2 of working on Joe's car. Sadly, Joe isn't here yet. He should be here pretty soon. Also, my dad has come back from vacation, actually pretty interested. I don't think he's fully aware that I will be shooting, so it'll be kind of interesting to see how he reacts in front of the camera or how he is just initially, so pretty interested to see that. But we are going to finish working on getting this radiator support off. We do got to take off the intercooler still and get some of this bottom stuff taken out. My dad will be able to go ahead and walk us through further on what it is exactly we are needing to take off and do to go ahead and get this completed. Luckily, we brought my low profile jack this time, so we can actually get underneath it and be able to look more and see exactly what's needing to get done. So stick with me today, guys, while we go ahead and finish this project up. Hopefully we can get it finished today. If not, you know, definitely tomorrow, but let's see how far we can get.
What are you doing?
Recording?
Huh?
Recording? Is that going to be a problem? Might be a bit of a problem, guys. You should be fine with it. We'll figure it out.
Let's see. Let's see able to.
Okay, so maybe this wasn't what this did. So it didn't snap like we thought it did.
So that one comes out. And this. Yeah. So we have to break those welds there, get that out of there, and then re-weld that back into place.
Okay, and then we just are gonna weld it here on the sides instead because we can't tack weld it.
Right, so what we'll do is we'll drill a, once we get this broken down, we'll drill a hole here and here. Yeah, just right there, that's all it is. So we'll drill a hole there and there, and then I'll just weld right in the, inside the center of the holes.
Okay.
Would we be able to
No,
replace this
No.
too so it matches?
Yeah, no, we can
you're
replace
gonna have to
both of
paint it
them.
anyways, aren't you?
No.
No, where are you gonna paint the frame?
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. No, that's not gonna work.
What are donkey years?
Huh?
What are donkey years?
What are donkey years?
Yeah.
Back in the 1980s, that's when I had it.
Oh.
That's when you had what?
That's when I used to use that tools for rivets. Go give me that other bit that you had, that you cut. Donkeys are old.
Yes, we know you're old. So. You ready? Need me to do it, Pops? I don't want you to hurt your hands. Here.
Get the glasses and gloves. Because hot metal?
You're smart.
Ah, they do.
Well, did you get this side or no?
Huh?
Did you get this side or no?
Do you have this other
I know, I was asking about this side.
That side's done, son.
Okay, that's exactly what I asked you.
Oh, God.
Is it this one? Hold on.
Give me a hammer.
Thanks for protecting me, Pops. No, nothing. Cool. Oh,
Yeah, more than one part, son. Look at the bottom, son. Look at the wire, son.
here?
Yeah. That's the one. Look at the top part, son. Okay. Clean those. Hey, take the grinder to this part, sir.
To which part? To the
Yeah.
inside?
Outside
Okay.
and inside.
Alright guys, so I know it's been a lot of just showing from afar kind of what we're doing. Let me go ahead and walk you guys through it really quickly and show you basically what we've done. So we did take off the old bracket here. We put part of the new one on. We left the old one on this side since this one wasn't bent at all. That way we know exactly, you know, since this one was already on there, we were able to use this as our marker to, you know, go ahead and make sure that all this lined up. So right now we're trying to make sure this gets lined up that way. What?
Okay, so you gotta make,
So we're trying to make sure this is all lined up. That way my dad can go ahead and start welding on that side. We're going to go ahead and take care of that side first before we mess with this one. Again, this one wasn't really bent at all, so we're leaving this one. You know, then we'll go ahead and work on this one afterwards. That way the whole piece here gets replaced and we can start putting stuff back. So just a quick little update on what we're doing. Probably not going to be filming too much on what we're doing here. Maybe show a little bit of the welding. But, you know, I'll try and keep you guys posted as much as I can. Other side. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and cut part 2 here. I decided to make it a part 3 video. There's just going to be too much to edit and go through and everything. And I don't want to keep you guys here for 30 minutes on one video. So we are going to go ahead and stop here. We did finish welding this side up. We are starting on that side now. We have completed most of it. We got it off. We're getting ready to weld that side. We got to do some cleanup here and then go ahead and start putting everything back on. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you guys check out part 3. Make sure you also like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much. We'll see you.
Yeah. Hey, if you want it, you can have it. Down my old style. Moving through the night just like an old car. Yo,
Hold on. What did you say, Pops?
listen, he has a damn butt plug on his damn shifter knob.
No comment? No.